going pretty slow. There's the first one. You'll see. He's going to climb up that tree limb. This is about 35 yards. Up he goes to the very top. So this is with the 1909s. They work really well, I'm thinking. They're actually Hunter Extreme, Barracuda Hunter Extreme. You'll see the shot. You'll see the pellet. Actually, I think I saw it last time when I was making the first video. And down he goes. So that's the first one. And then the next one is a blue jay. And the blue jay's maybe a little tiny bit closer, maybe 35 yards. I mean, maybe 30 yards instead of 35. He's still pretty far out. And here we go. Here's going to be the next one. There he is right there. Bang. And he drops like a rock. Down he goes. And that's two in the same tree, actually. They're like 10 feet apart. Just one on a little lower branch. And I'm going to walk over, take a look at that blue jay real quick. I'm not going to bother with the woodpecker. He's too far in the brush, and it's not that important to me. Actually, the blue jay is not important either. It's just he's right where I'm walking, so. Sorry for the crappy videos, but I'm actually making a video off of a video using two cell phones. So it turns out okay. It doesn't turn out the best, but we can all see what's going on. This one's going to be about 6 minutes long, I'm guessing. I'm actually looking for another one right now. I could speed it up a little, but then you'd see my fingers in the video. Trying to do something you can watch here. You can hear our parrots in the background. Yeah, let's see if I can speed this up just a little. Oh, I actually can't because that's a video that I already made. I'll pause it a little though. Here we go. Now you can see look at this bird here. There he is. So that's the blue jay. It was about, like I said, about 30 yards. So I think we got another one in this tree here. You see him in the middle of the screen. This one's about 35 yards too. He's quite a ways away. He doesn't fall, but it's definitely a hit. He flies off and I watch him and he falls about 30 feet after he leaves. There's the shot. And he's hit right there, you can see. And he still manages to fly off, so. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know. Like I said, I'm doing it. You can see it's phone to phone, but it's the best I can do, so enjoy.